Significant leap in the last 5 years in the space of mental health. But there are numerous challenges yet to cross. The major limiting factor to reach out to help is the stigma around it. So on this World Mental Health Day, let us extend our support to those in need and break the stigma. Remember, help is around, no one is alone.
Every now and then, on daily basis, we go through a lot of emotions, lots of ups and downs, rise and fall. Every up and raise boosts the energy, and every down and low pulls all your energies down unless you know how to balance them. Mental health is all about art of balancing, identifying the needs and balancing our emotions, which at times may require additional support. Yes, we all do require support. Seeking support need courage, and I believe that we all have it. Do not think or hesitate to ask for mental health support. Let's make our mental health a priority.
Mental health is a sign of well-being. Take care of both your physiological and psychological health. Start off by eating well and sleeping well too. If you notice any signs and symptoms beyond this for a period of time, please meet your psychologist. Mental Health Day, World Mental Health Day has helped us to reach out to you, and it is a wonderful platform to tell you how important it is to be mentally healthy. The main idea to all this is to come back to your being a happy self.
A small act of kindness has the potential to turn a life around. The transformation just not happens with the recipient, but also the giver. Kindness improves self-worth, life satisfaction, and brings in a sense of belonging in the community. So I take the pledge to make this world a happier place by being kind in thought, word, and deed.
What mental health needs is more sunlight, more candor, and some unashamed conversation. For those of us who are experiencing mental health related concerns, we live in an unequal world. There's stigma, there's discrimination, and lack of support. So on this Mental Health Day, I pledge to create more awareness, to listen more to people, to understand more, and provide a voice to the people who are experiencing this inequality.
I take a pledge that I will continue to work towards breaking the mental health stigmas, not only for the ones suffering from mental health concerns, but also the way a mental health professional is seen from a fixed lens. I would stand by my fellow professionals as much as I would stand for my life.
To continue to stand up against mental health stigma and educate the public, and that I will be compassionate to not only others.
To be kind, to let go, to listen, to talk to someone and to smile. This Mental Health Day, I pledge to be a leader in both my personal and professional life by demonstrating and teaching how to be a balanced and joy-filled individual.
Self-care is not synonymous with indulgence or being selfish. Self-care means taking care of yourself so that you can be healthy, you can be well, you can help and care for others. You can do all the things you need to and you want to accomplish. On this World Mental Health Day, I pledge to take care of my physical, mental and emotional health and well-being.
Every day we live in fear, apprehension and anxiety about what we do, say or what others think about us. Putting the strain on ourselves not only makes us feel sick, it also makes us tired. So, I pledge that I will not put the strain on myself and will not hesitate to spread the awareness or to help the people in need.
Listening is an art that requires attention over talent, spirit over ego, others over self. People don't always need advice. They just need an ear to listen. On this World Mental Health Day, I pledge that I will be there for the one who needs to be heard.
Mental health concerns don't define who you are. It is something which you experience. You walk in the rain and you feel the rain, but importantly, you are not the rain. Today it is observed as World Mental Health Day. And I take this opportunity to pledge that I will be available to all the people who are having mental health concerns. And remember that you are not alone.
Towards making people compassionate about oneself when mentioning mental health, because it is important to have a visible communication. In the end, what is visible can be manageable. Thank you and happy World Mental Health Day.